Hey guys, what's up? Today we're talking about the ultimate renovation queen, Johanna Juhlin. This Swedish girl is a true artist and craftsman who's passionate about transforming old items into something new and beautiful. Now, you know how there are some things in this world that you can just look at endlessly, like fire, water, and working women, especially if they're doing apartment repairs? Well, Johanna is one of those girls. She's a true craftsman and artist who's passionate about painting and renovating old items into something new, and her love for painting extends to her work as a craftsman, too. Along with her twin sister, Johanna runs a successful business that specializes in painting and renovation work. She's a Swedish girl born on August 15, 1994, in Östersund, Sweden. Many people have expressed their admiration for Johanna's work, and have even suggested hiring her and her twin sister for their own renovation work. Others have commented on Johanna's fitness journey, praising her dedication to working out and trying new challenges. And some have even joked about kicking holes in their own walls just so they can hire Johanna to fix them. And it's not just her renovation skills that are impressive, guys. Johanna is also a total fitness enthusiast. She loves running, spinning, and strength training, and is always looking for new and challenging workouts to try. And get this, guys. Despite not following a strict diet or meal plan, Johanna still maintains a healthy and fit lifestyle. She's all about enjoying good food and drinks and then getting in a good workout afterwards. Now that's the kind of balance we all strive for, am I right? So let's give it up for Johanna Juhlin, the ultimate boss babe who's killing it in every aspect of her life. All right, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in and getting to know Johanna Juhlin, the ultimate boss babe who's slaying it in the world of renovation and fitness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and leave a comment below letting us know which part of Johanna's journey resonated with you the most. Until next time, keep crushing those goals.